Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone of any series like A series, J series, F series, M series. If you're using Samsung Android smartphone and if your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, then after hard reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display. You will get a welcome pop-up, language option, start button, emergency call option. Okay, so first of all, after hard reset, when you will go through start button and go through all the process from this page, let's check what happened with your Samsung Android smartphone. One more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So here you can see I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. Then after, you have to tap on this next option. When we'll go to the next page, it will switch to here. You can see here after hard reset, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock. But here you can see you will get another option that is showing here, use my Google account instead. You have to tap on this option. Now here you can see it's asking your Gmail ID and password, and it's asking you to verify your Gmail account. So if you have your Gmail ID and password, you can easily go through the process and feed your Gmail ID and password and go to the next option. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you can see here you are not getting any skip option in this page. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you will get a skip option in this page, because without skip option you can see here it won't let you go to the next page. Okay, so let's start this video. This lock is known as generally FRP lock. So in this video I will tell you how you can bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone. So first of all, you have to reach to the starting page from here. First of all, you will have to change your language. From English India, you have to change the English US, then after go to the OK. Now after that, you have to tap on this start option, agree to all and agree more and agree from here. Now you will come on this page, that is the Wi-Fi network page. From here you will have to firstly activate your phone's talkback option, and for this you have to press the power button and the volume up button same time. Press, hold and release. Now you have to tap on this use, repeat the process. Now from here you have to draw a opposite L like this. Double tap on this while using the app. Double tap on this use voice command. Open Google Assistant. Open setting. Open settings. Okay, now you can see here on your phone display the setting page of the Samsung Android smartphone is showing. Now after that, firstly you will have to switch off the talkback option, and for this you will have to repeat the process. Okay, now in this setting page you can see here the lock screen pop-up is showing at the top left corner. You can see here your phone is locked due to FRP lock. Now in this page you have to make some changes. Firstly you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here lock screen. Okay, now in this page you can see here the first option is showing here screen lock type, and here the type is showing swipe. If you tap on this option, you can see here it's not working here, so don't worry, you have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here about lock screen option, and you have to tap on this and tap on this open source license. When you will go to this page, you will get a lots of text on this page, but here you will get a URL. You can see here this is the URL. You have to copy this URL from here. Okay, now copy from here and go to the back option here. Okay, go to the back option and back. Now from here you have to exit from this setting page and again you have to tap to the starting page. Now from here you have to start this option again, agree to all, and agree. From here go to the agree. Now you have to come on this page, that is Wi-Fi network. Here you have to tap on this add network page, and you have to tap on this setting page. Now first of all you have to scroll down, and first of all you have to reset this all the setting of this page, reset and erase from all the settings here. Now go to the back option. Now first of all you have to change your language, and you have to come on this option, switch on this English US and switch off this English India. Okay, now go to the back option. From here again you have to go to the back. Now after that you have to come to the option that is showing here text shortcut. Here you have to tap on this plus option, and here you have to paste that URL what you had copied from the setting page, and here you have to feed that USSD code, that is 0 has and add from here. Okay, now go to the back option. From here now the last option what you have to change, that is here from layout, and you have to tap on this, and from default you have to change to alternative, and from apply here. Okay, now when you will do, you will switch to the back page. You can see here now all the settings has been done here. Go to the back option and come to the starting page. Okay, now after that again you have to start here and go through all the process. Let's check your FRP has been bypassed or not. After that you have to tap on this next option. Tap on this don't copy. So here you can see where the Gmail ID and password was asking. Now you're getting here a skip option on this page. It means your phone's FRP lock has been completely removed and the FRP bypass process has been completely done. Now after that you don't have to worry. Simply you have to tap on this skip option, skip from this page. Now come on this page and accept from here. Now the option that is showing here, use a new pin pattern, password lock, face lock, fingerprint lock. So you can also skip this page. I am going to skip from here. Now go to the OK. Go to the next, skip from here. You're all set up. Simply you have to tap on this finish page. Now go to the OK and agree. Okay, done. Select your language from here. Go to the continue. Select your gender and age from this page. Go to the install and finish. So here you can see the Samsung Android smartphone has been completely unlocked and FRP bypassed. You can see here. So if this video helped you to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone, then do the like this video. And if you have any problem in this video, then make us comment. We will definitely respond on your comments. So thank you so much.